Can you believe that you can assemble a 3-seater sofa in 15 minutes? We just did that. We assembled IKEA EKTORP 3-seater sofa in just 15 minutes. When we looked at the box, it looked so huge that we thought it's going to be a difficult task and it is going to take a lot of time. But when we unboxed it and we saw the parts, we knew it's going to be quite simple because the sofa frame was almost ready. It came like a semi-stitched dress, so it became very simple. We just had to fit the armrest and then tighten the screws and fix the 4 legs. That's it, the sofa was almost ready. And the final thing was just putting on the sofa cover and the cushion covers. Actually, it could have been done just by one person, but it required 2 people because of lifting out the sofa frame out of the box, and also while fixing the screws it had to be inverted, so it required 2 people, and totally it took just 30 minutes. If you compare it with the no part 2-seat sofa, which I've already shown the unboxing and assembling, it was a bit tricky. It was not difficult, but it was tricky because it had separate steel frames which had to be fixed. But in comparison, this was totally easy. I'm showing the unboxing and the assembling of this 3-seater sofa in this video. So I want you all to watch it and enjoy how simple it is to make this sofa. And special thanks to IKEA for making such wonderful do-it-yourself furniture. I salute you, IKEA, for making our everyday brighter. three-seat sofa, and you see it's so comfortable. This is grey color. We chose grey. They come in other colors as well. The sofa cover and the cushion covers you get in different colors like yellow, beige and light blue, multicolor, and it's really value for money. It's very sturdy and comfortable. We just paid 22,000. One more thing is this is totally made in India, and IKEA is associated with India for the past 30 years. India has been making many products for IKEA. You can find many of their products in the stores. It is not just now, but even since 30 years they have been supplying products to IKEA. And that is the beauty about IKEA, because you can get products made in various countries. You get to use other products of different countries. And this is made in India, and I am proud to have chosen this particular sofa. And we thoroughly enjoyed making it. I too lent my hand in between, and I'm sure you all would have enjoyed watching this video and found out how simple it is to make. And thank you for watching, and keep looking out for more such videos from my channel. Thank you, and bye bye till then.